Good morning, everybody.
So today we're doing a day trip to the island of Lokrum, which is just a small island just off the shore of Dubrovnik. We've bought our ferry tickets. They were 100 kunas each for a round trip.
But it should only be like a 10-15 minute ride, so
yeah,
that's really
super
nice.
short. So if anyone's wondering just how high we hiked yesterday, that is the top of the gondola. So that's where we went up.
I really hope that we don't have to pay the 200 kuna. I hope that it's just part of the ticket that we got with our boat, because that was kind of our whole understanding that all of us got yesterday, but I guess we'll go find out. Okay, so we didn't have to pay the 200 kunas, which is lovely. And now we are going to kind of make our way around the island. There's a few spots we want to hit, so you guys can come along.
Alright, so we've made our way down to Kalika Bay, which is it leads you to the coast of the island, and you have a super nice view of the old town. So I think we're just gonna enjoy the views and then continue on.
Okay, so we are at Fort Royale right now, and we can totally walk through like the whole thing. Nothing's blocked off or anything, which is super cool. We wish we could tell you some facts about it, but we know nothing. So we'll just show you some clip-ins.
Whoa. Alright, so we've made our way to the Botanical Gardens on the island, and we read that there was supposed to be a whole bunch of peacocks on the island, so I think if it's gonna be anywhere, they're gonna be in here, so hopefully we see some. We found our first peacock. Hello. How you doing?
I'd rather see a peacock than a pigeon. I don't know.
Okay, we found some more peacocks. And this one's got its feathers spread, but we're seeing the butt.
That's why.
Whoa. Well, that's cool. That's so cool. Whoa. That's crazy.
I think we found the actual Iron Throne from Game of Thrones. Yesterday I was just in like a makeshift one, but this one looks very legit. I'm very excited.
Go sit on it.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, that was such a cool surprise. We did not think that we were walking into a little Game of Thrones museum there, and I definitely think that that was the real Iron Throne from the show. So that is very cool. I love it. And I think now we're all getting kind of hungry, hey?
Yeah, absolutely.
So time to go eat some lunch. Okay, so I think we found our lunch spot. We are at the Dead Sea, which is a little lake on the island here. And we have some nice rocks to set up for your lunch on.
So one thing that Graham and Cindy brought us when they came from home is a GoPro. And we brought it because we were like, maybe we'll swim, but it's icy cold, so that's not gonna happen. We'll have to break it in some other time. All right, the water was absolutely stunning, but time to head back for the ferry. Waves are a lot bigger than last time. They don't look big on the camera. Alright, so it's a little while afterwards. We are at our supper place tonight, which is Pizzeria La Luna. It's our last night here in Dubrovnik, so we thought we'd treat ourselves and get a meal. I'm super excited for the food. I am starving. So our food just came, and look at this pasta. This plate is hefty. I got the 4 cheese pasta, or the 4 cheese spaghetti, and it is absolutely loaded, and it looks so good.
That looks really good.
Oh my gosh. What'd you get?
And I just got a tomato sauce pasta with olives on it, but I will be giving the olives to Roman and Sydney.
Should we do a taste test? It looks really hot though. This is gonna sit heavy in my stomach. Is it good?
Yep, really good. Cheesy goodness.
That is super cheesy. In this one they also have sour cream too, which I've never had on a pasta before. I would never think to put it in a pasta, but this is delicious. Cindy got the biggest hamburger, and Graham got a massive pizza. The proportions here are fantastic.
Okay, so we just got back to our Airbnb. We had a really good supper. I think all of us are super full.
Although I would not recommend having a hamburger at a more Italian style restaurant. I don't think Cindy's hamburger was quite what she was expecting, but I mean, my pasta was amazing.
Yeah, mine was really good too.
And Graham's pizza, he said, was fantastic too. So you live and you learn. But I think this is where we're gonna leave you. This is our last night here in Dubrovnik. So we have a travel day tomorrow, which is very exciting.
So thanks so much for watching the video today. We hope you guys liked it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
You're good.
Yeah?
And action.
And action.
Look.